Welcome to MK Origami, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold an origami boat. This origami boat is super fun to make, and it's easy as well. So, for this origami, you'll need one sheet of square paper. Now, if you have a color or like a design, like what I have, then you'll like to start with white side up. First, let's take this point and fold it to that point, making a diagonal crease on your sheet of paper. Crease well with your fingernail, then unfold. Now rotate it and take this point and bring it to that point, and it will make two creases diagonally that will form an X on your sheet. Crease well, then unfold. Now, what we're going to do is have the paper in a diamond kind of positioned. And first let's take the top point and fold it to the middle intersection. So fold it to the middle. Now you want to do the same step to the other three. So just fold them where they meet in the middle. Then you want to give really good creases on them. And so at the end you should have something like this with 4 flaps. Okay? Now what you want to do is leave 2 flaps inside and take 2 flaps out. So first, let's do the outside. We want to bring this point and fold it to the nearest intersection point. So as you can see, there are 2 creases right there that form an intersection. You want to take the point and fold it to that intersection. So just take it and fold it to the intersection and just fold it back in like that. Repeat with the other side. So take this point, fold it to that middle intersection, then fold it back in. Okay, now let's work on the inside. 2 flaps. So let's take this point and fold it out to this edge, like this, right? And do the same to the other one. So you should have something that looks just like this. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to flip it over, and we're going to take this whole edge and fold it to the middle crease. So you want to lift it up from the other side and align it with the middle crease. Crease really well, and do the same to the other side. Just like this. So on your paper it should look something like this on the front and this on the back. Okay, what we're going to do now is, as you can see, the 4 sides, they all have the triangle designs right in them. See the triangle design right on all 4 sides? 1, 2, 4. And you want to take the point and use that triangle design or the look and just fold it to the middle crease, just like that. Right, and you want to do that for the remaining 3, which is all the 4 sides. And you want to give them good creases. Okay, what we're going to do now is let's take this whole, so just take one of the triangles, and as you can see, there's this edge right there. And you want to fold it to the middle, so just take it and fold it like this, and crease really well. Now the hard part of this is the paper starts to get a lot thicker. It's not really going to rip, but it's just a lot tougher to fold on, so just push it down a bit more. And so the 2 for the front 2 we have, and now we have the other 2 on the other side. And as you can see, once you fold, you're going to actually overlap some of it, right? So just make sure you overlap it and make sure it's smooth so it doesn't get all wrinkly. So as you can see, it's smooth and not wrinkly. Yeah. So the other side as well to overlap. So you should have something just like this on the back, like this, with 2 of these little things, right? Okay, and now let's, as you can see, there are 2 points here and here. You want to fold them to the middle. So just take it and fold it to the middle, right? And repeat with the other side. And crease well on both. Okay, now what we're going to do is, as you can see, once we open it, there are these 2 flaps, right? One here and one there. You want to open it up. As you can see, my fingers on the back. You want to lift it up and fold everything backwards. Okay? So just take it and just fold everything backwards. Now it takes some practice, right? Because it's not easy, but you should be able to fold it all backwards. Now flip it over, and as you can see, we have these 2 that are stuck in there. Just lift it and shape it, right? And do the same, so just lift it and shape it. And, well, there you go. There's your origami boat. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.